controlling area.
Okay. Now we are going to maintain controlling area. So, what is controlling area? Okay. So, in my last class, I have told you the highest entity in financial accounting module is company code. Okay. Whatever we
Yes.
do, we will assign everything with the company code. This we have seen in our last class. Correct? Same way in controlling module, whatever we do, first we will create controlling area, and then we will be assigning everything with controlling area. So we can say that company code and controlling area both are brothers of different regions, or we can say both are same things in different language. For example, donkey. In English we call it donkey. In Urdu we call it gada. Both are same things. Correct?
Yes.
So same
Good
is
example, sir.
okay. Yeah, because with this example you can understand. So both are same things, because it is very difficult to tell to the students what is controlling area, what is company code. Both are same thing. Both are fans. In English we call it fan. In Urdu we call it pankha. But both are same thing, same functions. Highest entity, the highest one. Okay. So let's proceed. The path written in the notes is not fine. This is the correct path. OX06. So first we will go to OX06. Oh, no.
Wait, sir. Maybe my connection is slow.
Sit close to the internet router.
Yeah, I'm
Or
near. I'm near only.
and your RAM should be 4 GB. New laptop 4 GB, old laptop 6 GB.
Yeah, my laptop is
Okay,
near.
it has opened.
Yeah,
Okay, guys. What is our company code in this class?
9191.
9191.
9191. Okay. So
Yes,
now,
91.
because last time you people said why we are going with company, copy, why not new entries, new entries? Let's go with new entries. With
Okay.
new entries, form will be blank. So you should know what to fill in the blank form. With copy, what is happening? We are finding some data already inside it, which SAP has already accepted, and then we are changing it.
Yes.
Okay. So now, uh, controlling area, same is as company code. It is written in front of this yellow color cell. First cell CO area is equal to company code. So SAP is
Okay.
also telling you the same.
So I should put 9191.
Yes.
No result found.
No result found means you can create this.
O- Okay. So I should select from here.
No, close this.
One second.
Close this window.
Yes, I closed.
Okay, now name will be controlling area 9191.
Yes. Name will be.
No, write down the name below. Yes, wherever the tick is mentioned, it means that this cell is
Required.
mandatory, yeah, required.
Controlling area 9191.
Controlling area 9191. Then come to the assignment control. Also give me the remote control.
One second.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Controlling area below assignment control, click on the drop down arrow.
Yeah.
No, not here. Here, this drop
Okay.
down arrow. Choose, see,
Okay.
there are two things, controlling area, same as company code, or cross company code cost accounting. So we will be choosing first option, which is controlling area, same as company code. 1 minute, guys. Let me switch off my WhatsApp because I need to open WhatsApp to share with you the Zoom session. Let me switch it off. Okay. Hmm. Uh, what you have done? I think you pressed enter.
No,
Okay,
no.
now choose controlling area same as company code. This is what we have discussed. Okay. Currency type, come to the currency type.
Company code currency.
Hmm.
Okay. It's already taken. Start of accounts and fiscal year.
Yes, this is what we have discussed that controlling area is same as company code. When we give this command to the SAP, so what SAP has done, SAP has provided us the things which we had maintained in controlling company code, right? Okay,
Yeah.
now click on save or control S.
There is one
New.
here.
Create new.
Yeah. In the first one.
First one,
Okay.
enter. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now these are not our mistakes. These are the mistakes done by the people. Just press enter and proceed.
Okay.
So SAP is asking us that do you want to correct these mistakes? No. Why? Because this is live environment. Students are making mistakes, consultants are making mistakes because it is S/4HANA, it is complicated and it's a new thing. And every year they are going to do many changes. That is why.
So it's saved, right? I
Yes,
already
it
saved
is
it.
saved. We can do one more thing. We can come up here, down here, so that we can see which screen we are.
Okay.
Then this drop down, click on this drop down, A4
Okay.
edge,
Yeah.
choose transaction.
Transaction. Yeah. It is came here 06 OX06.
Now it is OX06. Now we will go to OX19/N.
Okay. Wait.
Mr. Khalid, uh,
Yes,
can I have can I raise a question here? This
yes.
company code in OX06, there's a cross company in the without selecting that from the company code. If we select cross company, that other option, what is that option?
Cross company code as cost accounting. It means that
Yes.
uh, uh, for example, how can I say? Okay, yes. For example, you have one company in UK, you open just a branch over here, but you do not want to be created as a legal entity. Okay, just a silent entity, and you want to allocate some expenses like rent expenses, some fixed expenses to a company which is in real it's existing, but in books it's not existing. Okay, a branch or
Okay.
some place, okay, or a warehouse. So in such cases, you can treat it only for cost accounting purposes. For example, you got a rent expense, you want to allocate it, you want you get any kind of expense and you want to allocate to different departments or different places, then you can do such kind of cost accounting for internal purposes, not for external purposes.
So that means we are creating another entity, which means it is a company, but it is not treated as a legal entity, right? It is a
Hmm.
database, but not. Okay, clear, Mr. Kali.
Yeah. Then we have to put in unit carefully.
Okay, next guys, anybody has any question? Okay, we can proceed to the next slash n. Oh, okay, we are in OX19. Click on
Yes.
position and write down 9191. Select this from the gray button 9191. Yes, click on it.
Double click on this one.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Assignment of company code. Click on assignment of company code. Click on new entries.
Here company code
Company code 9191.
9191. Yes. Enter.
Click on save.
Save.
Okay. Enter.
Correct. Yeah, just save.
Wait.
Yeah.
Now press enter.
It is saved.
Now, what we have done here, we assigned our company code to the controlling area. Just that's it. Now we will go to OKKP slash N OKKP.
Okay, KP, right? One second.
Hmm.
Yeah, correct. Hmm. Okay. Now we have to go to active components.
First of all, select your company code.
Position 9191. After this done,
Okay, now here we need to come here. Here write down 9191. This is cost center standard hierarchy. Cost center standard hierarchy means cost center standard hierarchy means equal to chart of accounts. Click on yes. In financial accounting, we create chart of accounts like we did in the last class. These chart of accounts are having values. Okay, we posted the entries in it. Same way, under the cost center standard hierarchy, we will be having cost centers and profit centers. What are profit centers? Profit centers are whenever we post any revenue, we hit profit center. Okay, profit center means revenue generating units. revenue generating departments, revenue generating products, whatever your company means. Cost center means cost absorbing departments, cost absorbing units, etc. Anything your company can name it. So what we do in standard hierarchy, we attach cost centers and profit centers with standard hierarchy. So it means standard hierarchy is same like chart of accounts. Now on the left hand side, click on activate components.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Yes, click on yes.
Okay.
Click on new entries. Fiscal year is 2024. Now we will activate cost centers. Click on the drop down arrow of cost centers. Components active. Order management is basically for sales module. Make it active. Orders and commitments. Yes. Let's leave this activity based costing. It's a separate module. Click on projects. Sales orders, cost objects. Sales orders not for us. Cost object is for us. Cost object means your expenses. Click on sales orders also if somebody wants to
O-
use it in sales also. Okay. Click on save. Enter. Enter. Yes.
Again, enter.
Yes. Enter.
Okay.
So controlling area is finished now. Go to the notes. We created controlling area. We assigned to the company code and we created cost center hierarchy also.
This is and
Yes.
also no.
Explain this did. Okay. Guys, some of the screens are only for studying purpose. Okay. You people can note down on your diaries if you wish. Okay. Like for example, this 1.18, we are not going to do anything here. 1.18 is having all world accounting principles. General accepted accounting principles are also there and IFRS is also there. So we will be using IFRS. Okay. So 1.18, nothing to do. Fine. And then 1.19 is also nothing to do. 18 you got understand. Okay. All world accounting principles are present in 1.18. Okay. Then in 1.19, nothing to do. What does it mean? We will be using 0L as a leading ledger. First line of the notes. What does it mean? Leading ledger. Leading ledger means your balance sheet accounts. Okay. Our balance sheet accounts are leading ledgers. Our trial balance accounts are basically leading ledgers. There are two kinds of things in SAP, we call it. One is leading ledger, those things which are coming under the trial balance, those are leading ledgers. Then there is one more thing in SAP which is called as non-leading ledgers. What is not? No, there is not nothing here. I'm just explaining. Non-leading ledger means your individual customers and individual suppliers, those are not present in the balance sheet. Okay. Their cumulative balance, total balance is present in the balance sheet coming as accounts receivable or accounts payable. But by looking at balance sheet at accounts receivable amount, you cannot tell that Mr. A has to pay this amount, Mr. B has to pay this amount. You have to pay Mr. A this amount, you have to pay Mr. B this amount. Okay, so those are non-leading ledgers. Then there is one more thing in SAP, which is extension ledger. Okay, I'm just covering this topic here just with the name of leading ledger so that whenever it comes in the future, I can remind you what is non-leading ledger and what is extension ledger. Extension ledger means your non-balance sheet items. For example, notes to the accounts, IS 37, provisions, okay, where the provisions are remote, we just note it down into the notes to the accounts, or your guarantees, performance bond guarantees, bid bond guarantees, which you are submitting to the bank, but you are recording in Excel sheet. And what is the other example of this? Notes to the accounts, your security checks, the security check you are receiving from the customer, the security check you are paying to the vendor, the security check you are paying to the landlord while sitting here in UAE. Okay, these are the things which are not being recorded in the balance sheet. These things are recorded in the notes to the accounts. Company does not have a good ERP, that is why accountants are recording these things in Excel sheet, but we can record these things in SAP. So there are three
ये कौन सी है,
ledgers.
कौन सी चीज है?
Sorry,
इसकी क्या टर्म बताई थी आपने, ये कौन सी, किस?
extension ledger, extension ledger.
एक्सटेंशन लेजर।
Okay, so there are total three kinds of ledger in SAP. Again, one is leading ledger. We will be using leading ledger. SAP has already created it. It's the standard ledger 0L. Okay, which is written in the first line. Then they have written IT, you can call it non-leading ledgers.
लीडिंग लेजर्स का क्या रोल है? जो लेजर हमारे जीएल्स होंगे।
Your GL accounts present in the balance sheet are known as leading ledger.
अच्छा ठीक है।
Okay, and non-leading ledger, individual customers, individual suppliers. Extension
सब
ledger,
सब
extension
लेजर्स
ledger.
कह सकते हैं ना हम, सब
Yes,
लेजर्स।
yes, yes, yes. And
ठीक है।
extension ledger, notes to the accounts items, which cannot come in your balance sheet, but present in your Excel sheet. Okay,
सही।
fine. Go to the next step. So nothing to do here. After 6 minutes, after 6 minutes, let me finish my class, then I will help you. Okay, after this is maintain number ranges for controlling documents, KANK, go there, KANK. This is whenever you will post any controlling document, what will be the voucher number range? Like we created in the last class FBN N1. It is same like that. So click on the copy button.
Controlling
Only.
area.
Controlling area 9191.
Okay.
Uh,
Intervals.
oh, click. No, no, no. First click on copy button. Baby, wait. Baby, wait. Baby, wait.
Copy this one.
Yeah. No. 1678 to 9191. Yes. I think it is copied. So click on no, and then click on intervals.
Interval.
Okay, so these voucher numbers, the ranges we have copied. Okay, we will be using 01. Okay, whenever we will be posting any document, so it will pick the number from 01000000. The next number will be 0100, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. And those will be coming here in NR status. NR status means your current number status. What is your current voucher number you posted? Okay.
If
And
you post it, it
external
will show
means,
here.
okay, okay. And external means that you want your team to enter this number. You want your team to enter this number by themselves, not by system to write down this automatically.
Hmm.
But SAP recommend do not click on external. When I was doing the training with for Porsche Middle East, okay, they have chosen everything external. And then they were saying to me, we don't know what is the last number we posted. So this can happen. Okay, okay. Can you go out? Hmm.
एक्सटर्नल
Okay.
का क्या रोल है बेसिकली?
External का rule ये है कि here the number range is 0100 to 01999 whenever you are going to post any document. For example, journal ledger document. manual
Yeah.
journal entry. You need to choose the document number by yourself. SAP will not generate the number once you post the document. So
Okay.
SAP will give the number among this number range, whatever the number you choose. So what will happen? You can forget that what was the last number you posted.
Hmm.
Okay. So the voucher number will be up and down, up and down. Okay.
Okay. But
And
if we
if
are
it
not
is
selecting
internal,
internal,
yeah, it is automatically internal. External is the option. And if you are not choosing this external, SAP will pick this number automatically. So the first document will be
in
zero one
sequence.
zero zero zero. Complete sequence will be coming there.
So whenever we are posting, like we posted one document, so the next will be automatically the number two, then number three, and number four.
Correct,
Yeah, it will
correct.
automatically generated.
Okay, and
Okay.
Yes,
external will be random selection.
yes.
Okay.
Click on save. Save.
Okay, next, yes.
Okay.
Okay, okay, next. Go to the notes. I think two
It's saved
minutes.
already. It's already saved.
Yes, it is already saved.
Okay.
Go back.
Yeah. Go to the notes.
The next is
Maintain word
managing versions for controlling leave here. We will do this in the next class on Sunday, 10:30.
10:30. Oh,
Hmm.
okay.
Okay, guys, any
Okay.
question you want to ask in last 2 minutes?
No, so far everything is clear.
I have a question, Mr. Kale.
Hmm.
Uh, Question is where we are doing the basic setup configuration stage we are doing, right? So if we want to change anything like that, previously we said that sales order, cost accounting like that. If we want to change it, we can change it after transaction posting. No, we cannot. There's
No,
a
once you save, the data comes in, you cannot change anything in SAP. But if you do
yes.
like this, then you cannot run financial accounting module. Okay, the
Okay.
problem will be that it will be only considered as cost accounting module, and there will be nothing in relation to financial accounting, and the data
Okay.
will not be present in your external reports.
So it is a one-time setup. We cannot amend it
Yeah,
after
so
this
that is
basic.
why it is not recommended to use this.
Yes.
And in my last practice of 10 years, I have never seen any company using only cost accounting. And you know that I have never seen a cost accountant also. Nobody is using cost accounting. We only studied in our classes, that's it, when we studied.
Okay.
Because
Sir,
company is trying to pay to the accountant, why they pay to the cost accountant? Hanji,
Sirji,
Yes.
yes, yes. Last one
uh,
minute, guys.
I
Uh,
was I
After
was
this, we
working
will
on.
speak on Sunday. And if you have any question, ask me on WhatsApp.
सर जल्दी से एक फील्ड स्टेटस वेरिएंट का मुझे समझा देंगे मैं थोड़ा सा उसमें प्रॉब्लम
Field
हो रहा था
status
इसका
variant
मतलब क्या है
means standard SAP screens. Screen of journal ledger entry. How will be my journal entry screen? How will be my accounts receivable entry screen? Where should be the invoice cell present there? Where should be the GL account cell will be there? Where the
हम्म,
text will come? Designing of the screens. So we
ओके
are using SAP standard screen. We are not designing the screens.